Thanks, Moose, for sponsoring this video.
Good morning, class. Today, we are starting an all-new science class, learning all about the galaxy and space. Now, let me just check my teacher notebook so I can see what today's lesson's all about.
Oh, but I thought this was slime school. Yeah, I really love making slime.
Sorry, kids, but slime school had to be canceled. The school board voted, and they said that we had to do traditional school now. So, it's all about regular schoolwork and not slime. I know I wrote the assignment down in here somewhere. I just can't. What was that noise? Oh my goodness! What's that? Whoa! What is this? Goo Goo Galaxy?
Wait, is this part of our school lesson because it's a part of the galaxy?
I have no idea where this came from. It's like aliens dropped it from the sky.
Maybe we should check what's inside.
Do you think we should? Let's look. Something on board. Baby on board? Who's that little guy?
I know what that means. It's alien on board.
Okay, let's take it inside in the classroom. Can someone get the door for me? Of course. Okay, come on, class. We're gonna open it together. Whoa! This is a huge box. All right, I'm gonna check what's inside.
What is it? What is it? Is it an alien?
Wow! Look at my goo drop! It looks like I got a goo drop named Yummy Unicorn. Look at the other goo drops on the back.
But wait, what are we supposed to do with them? I thought this was supposed to be science class.
Let me open this one up. Wow! Look at my goo drop! This is so cute! Back here, looks like I have another packet, slime crystals, and my passport. It's Yummy Unicorn's passport! Wow! So Yummy is from the planet of Mystico, and was born on the 2nd of Goovember? Okay, so this is how we're going to be doing science class. But it looks like we get to make slime again.
Slime! Yes!
So right here is a DIY galactic slime activity. This is going to be perfect for slime class. Plus, I can do a bonus round at the end that'll surprise the students. Okay, students, now the real class begins. Pay attention closely because you're going to have to do a test after I show you how to make goo juice. And make sure you're paying attention at home because you're going to be graded on your goo juice too. So the first thing I do for my goo juice is add my slime crystals. Slime crystals, check. Next, I have to add water. Next, it comes with this cute stir and can be used as a dangle. So we're going to mix this together. Hope you students are paying attention because you're not going to have these instructions for the test. You're going to have to work on your memory.
Uh-oh.
Wow! It's already turned to goo. Look at that. Pretty neat. Next, I'm going to add Cosmic Cloud. Now I'm going to add a little bit more water. Look what happened when I added the water. And look, there's even some down here. Whoa. Now we're gonna let this sit for 15 to 30 minutes and then we'll finish it up. Now that I've made my goo juice, it's time for you students to open up your goo drop and to make goo juice.
I can't read the boxes. It's so squishy. Look at your little body, so tiny. Let me get some of my goo juice.
Don't forget your passport and your slime crystals.
Uh-oh, I hope I don't get bad luck. Planet of Crystella, date of birth, 24th of February, eye color, a winter sky. It says that she loves inventing names from the stuff that she finds. Oh, she's so cute! Ooh, she has like confetti inside her. She's so cute, and I love the donut on her head. Now let me make my glue juice. First, let's take out this, and then there's something behind here. Cool, she's from Pluto. My friends all know I'm shy and sweet, always looking for a tasty treat, like me.
I've moved you to this side so I can get a very good look at what you're about to do. All right, when I say go, you're gonna have to complete the steps to make your goo juice. Are you ready?
Yes!
On your mark, get set, go.
Put it in the cute stuff. Whoa, it absorbed all that water. Done.
Well, we're not quite done because you have to wait 15 to 30 minutes to let those set up. In the meantime, we're going to do a Galaxy Slime Challenge.
Like a bonus test?
That's right. You didn't think I would just let you play with just these fun goo drops, did you? Just like your goo juice, this one is a blind challenge, except for you will be wearing blindfolds. So for each round, you're gonna have to choose ingredients and you're gonna have to mix your slime without actually seeing it. At the end, the person that comes the closest to their goo drop colors will win. Here are your blindfolds. Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, looks like Naiah has scissors and Elli has paper. In front of you, you have 4 different glues. I shuffled them up, now choose.
I choose this one.
All right, Elli, it's your turn. Is that the one you picked?
Yeah.
Take off your mask and reveal your glue.
1, 2, 3. Pretty!
Pour in your glue. For this next round, you're going to choose a glitter. Naiah, since you went first last time, Elli, it's your turn. Elli, choose your glitter. Okay, keep your mask on. Naiah, it's now your turn to choose your glitter. Okay, take your mask off and see your glitter. Oh my God, yes! Looks like you got all these different star glitters. And Naiah, you got this holographic glitter. Here's our final round. And now you guys have to put in more glitter. Okay, Naiah goes first again. All right, Elli, go. Mask off. Okay, time to add your activator. Naiah, add a little bit of activator first. Elli, your turn to add your activator. Time to mix, Naiah. Time to mix, Elli. Ooh, class I'll be right back. I have to go to the restroom. Ooh.
I feel like my slime was really close to Ellie's. It looks exactly like Ellie's. And mine looks like it belongs to Naiah's. Elli, you want to play with me? Yeah, let's do it. How's the teacher's looking? Oh, wait.
Okay, students, time is up. Let's see those slimes. Okay, Elli, let's see yours first. Wow. This looks really good. This is beautiful slime. Whoa, and it's super stretchy and sparkly. It does look like a pink galaxy. And it's amazing that you got that purple glue to look just like your Goo Drop. It's perfect. All right, Naiah, you're next. This is gorgeous slime. Wow, I like all the little specks in it. This one too looks like a galaxy. And it matches your Goo Drop perfectly. Look at the purple ombre. How did you get your red glue to match this? Something seems fishy here, and I don't mean my lunch. Elli, let me see that slime. I know what happened. Did you two switch your slimes while I was in the bathroom?
Uh-oh, we're caught!
Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't stand for this. But I have to be honest, they do match perfectly. I see why you did it. But next time, tell me you want to do a switcheroo. You know I love slime switch up. Now that we've finished our Goo Drop slime challenge, we have to finish our Goo Juice. Now, who can tell me what the last step is?
To put your star shine in your little bottle.
You're right. Put your star shine on, and I'll give you your final grades.
It comes with a lid, so you can take it wherever your little Goo Drop wants to go. Ooh, mine's gold.
Now it's my turn. And based on the color of our Goo Juice, our Goo Drops have a special message for us. Looks like I have shooting star. My message says shoot for the moon.
I have a cool comic. You're out of this world.
Elli, I don't see yours on here. It must be a special one. So I guess all the messages are for you. Shoot for the moon, follow your dreams, you're a real star, and you're out of this world. And with that message, it's time for your final grades. Although I did not like that cheating during the test, but you did follow your instructions precisely for your Goo Juice. With that said, I cannot give you an A+. You girls get an A.
Yay!
And you get to take your Goo Drop home.